At Shields Windshields and Designs, we manufacture a wide range of products, from our unique acrylic awards to the windshields on the monorails at Disney. Heck, we even have a custom dome in outer space, but they're all made with one common thread. Whether it's an excavator, whether it's a skid steer, or a top fuel dragster, our quality creates the winner's view.
Hang on.
Oh, Jesus. That's pretty cool.
Our products are 260 times stronger than glass and half the weight. This does two important things for our customers. Most importantly, it keeps them safe, but it also keeps their equipment running so that they can keep working.
When I was just 7 years old, my father's working in the garage, my mom was on the house phone working in the basement. I was probably much more of a distraction than a help in those days. That is where our company, our family company, began. Since then, we have steadily grown in both the size and the products that we offer, but we have never lost our focus on making the highest quality windows in the world while maintaining our family, small-town approach to business. It's about the people who work here and the lives they lead that makes our company and our family who we are.
Hi, my name's Luke. I've been here with Shields for a little over 3 years now.
Been with Shields for 13 years now.
For 6.5 years.
For almost 5 years.
I've worked here for right out of a year.
For 2 weeks.
For 17 years.
For 10 years.
For 3 years.
For 33 years. 5 years.
For 10 years.
Been here for 5 years.
For 42 years in March.
I'm very proud to say that all of our employees here at Shields are from Martinsville. Our mission is to create careers for them, for people in our town. We enjoy, supporting our community through fundraisers and through habitat builds. But we really want to have a lasting impact, and that lasting impact comes from creating opportunities and careers for people in our town to grow.